You guys, there is so much stuff here, I'm a little concerned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video. It's sort of a DIY and it's sort of also like tips. I'm really excited to share some of these ideas. I'm putting together a toddler busy bag. So this is something that you would put together when you're traveling, maybe a car ride, a train ride. Ours is for a plane ride, to entertain your little one. If you have flown or traveled with a small child before, you know they need entertainment. Keeping them entertained keeps you sane. And I have flown a bunch with my daughter. She is 2 and a few months, and I was trying to figure this out. I think this is going to be our 19th flight. And when I say that, I don't mean I'm counting one way as one and then back 2. I mean 19 different trips we have taken and had to fly there and back somewhere. And I would say 90% of those trips I was flying by myself. I travel out of state a lot to take my daughter to visit our family. So I have got plenty of ideas about how to keep them entertained, and I want to share them with you. I got this cute little backpack. I'm excited because this is the first time I'm giving my daughter her own little backpack to travel with. She's finally old enough, I think, and she's gonna love, I think, the independence of it. I've already let her try it on and she loves it. We are doing this for a trip to Disney World, so I got Minnie Mouse. And a lot of these things, most of these things are gonna be Disney themed, but obviously wherever you're traveling, customize this to your own kids' likes and characters and whatnot. This can work for any sort of travel. So the first thing I'm gonna share is sort of the DIY element. Got it in a little Minnie Mouse sandwich bag, of course, and this is like a popsicle stick project. I took just some really basic popsicle sticks, and then I got these little Velcro dots, and I put one on each end. These were great too because they were self-adhesive. I just peeled them off a sheet and stuck them on. I didn't need to use glue, and now she's got like a little building project. They stick so well. She can pull them out of the bag and you can stick them together, and she can build all sorts of shapes. And look, it's even fun for mom. I'm enjoying it. We can do triangles, we can do squares, she can build towers, but really, really cute and really portable. This fits so well in this sandwich bag. I was able to make a bunch of popsicle sticks for like $2. This was so cheap. I'll see if I can find a link below. I got the fasteners, the Velcro, at Target. So I'll see if I can find a link for that if you guys want to check it out. But you could get just like those basic strings of Velcro and cut little squares, and you could glue them on. A really cute, easy craft. This took me, I think, 5 minutes to do, no sweat. And I think she's gonna like that. The next item is sort of not something to play with, but it's a tip idea. I got this little Tupperware sandwich holder at the Dollar Tree. I got Minnie Mouse, and this is a great idea for organization, particularly if you're on a plane, or I think trains have those fold down trays as well. So you're in your seat and you've got the fold down tray, and you put out all this stuff for your child to play with, and then the plane moves and the crayons and the beads and everything go rolling off the table. I have been there. So put this on the little fold out tray, and you can put all the little things in it, and it's gonna roll around in the tray. You can even use the lid for that same purpose. Lay this flat, and then it's a little tray. And you don't have to get a sandwich holder or a Minnie Mouse one. Use whatever you have. If you've got just sort of a shallow Tupperware container at home, it's really perfect for this sort of thing. I got a bunch of arts and crafts stuff at the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree could have sponsored this video. It's such a great place to get stuff like this. I got some Mickey Mouse crayons and some Disney Princess markers. And the great thing about these are they're like these little boxes, so they're gonna fit really well in the backpack, but then she's gonna have so much fun opening them. With toddlers, it's all about exploration, right? So you've got this box, you open it up, you're like, ooh, pulling out each color. I think I mentioned she's 2, so this is really age appropriate. And then I got these. I was really excited to find them. They're little flashcards, Mickey Mouse, and I was happy because I have been looking for flashcards for my daughter for a while, and all of the ones I've found have been a little bit more mature than what she can do. You know, we're not doing addition yet, but these are really, really simple. It's just shapes and colors, and those are things we're working on, and I think it's something she's really going to be able to grasp. Also, they're playing cards. It's really fun to pull out. I got this little like magnetic drawing board. It's an Etch-a-Sketch. It's an off-brand Etch-a-Sketch. And I think this is great because she's going to be able to draw things over and over and over. But it's one piece. Again, I'm leaving it in its little container. I'm not opening up any of these things I bought because that's going to be part of the fun for her, is opening it up, exploring, touching everything. I had this in a Dollar Tree haul. No, you know what? That's not going up yet. I'll see if I can add a link below to the Dollar Tree haul if you want to see all the stuff I picked up. But this is a really great toy activity for just $1. I really love these little play packs. If you have a young child, I'm sure you already buy these and love them as well. I got 4 different ones, all different Disney characters, and they're these great little individual bags, $1. Target Dollar Spot sells these as well for $1, and inside you get a coloring book, a sheet of stickers, and 4 crayons. These are great for restaurants when you're traveling. If you know, our family, when we travel, we go to a lot of sit-down meals and you want to entertain them. I got 4 because this is another tip. You know, if you put together a bag like this and you stuff it full of stuff and you travel, well, your child's going to go through all of it and then you've got to get home. And so what do? So I'm going to put 2 in the backpack for the trip down there, and then I'm going to hold back 2 so that she still has more stuff to play with on the trip back. So make sure you keep that in mind when you're putting these together. This is something I've bought before and I absolutely love it. It's that same idea as the play pack, except it's all stickers and it's in this really cute little purse box. Let's see. That's what it looks like once you open it up. And the great thing about this is it's reusable. I really love it. You get this sort of vinyl-y, plasticky fold out sheet, and then the stickers can go on it and then you can peel them off. It's kind of like sticker paper dolls. So it's something perfect for travel because you can keep using it. It's not a one and done item. I got some books. I love to bring books when I'm traveling with my daughter, but I don't want, a lot of her books are really big and bulky. They're big board books, but these Dollar Tree books are really thin. I think they're nice quality, thin, they're lightweight, and they've got all different stories. I got Inside Out. I had never seen Inside Out merchandise at Dollar Tree before, and we just started watching that movie, so I was happy with that. And she's really into the princesses, but for $1, I've got 2 great little travel books that don't take up much room. I got some stickers. We are in love with stickers in our family. My daughter, I mean, like, she could just spend hours playing with stickers, and this is great for $1, 150 stickers. I swear her airplane seat's going to be covered with stickers. I'm going to have to apologize to the stewardesses. I got some coloring books. Always a great idea. And again, I've got 2, so 1 will go in the backpack for the trip down, and then we'll hold back 1 for the trip home. I picked up this. I'd never got this for her before, but I think she's going to enjoy it. It's a coloring activity, but it's stickers. You actually color the stickers, and they're kind of 3D. They're puffy, and this stuff is great because it all sort of works together. She's getting stickers and coloring books, and she's got different markers and crayons, so she can use the different stuff, and it's synergy, right? They all can go with one another. She can put stickers in the coloring book, whatever she wants. This was a really great find. I put this in my what to buy at Dollar Tree when you're going to Disney, and I said that you could use this as a countdown calendar to your trip, which you totally can, but we already have a countdown in our family. Actually, I'll put a link to that below, how I made that. I did like a block calendar. So we don't need this as a calendar, but this is great on the plane. It's a dry erase board with its own little marker, and she can color things, and then we'll erase it and color it again, and then we'll erase it. It's a great reusable item. And then finally, this is, it's like the only thing I didn't buy at the Dollar Tree. I got this at the Target Dollar Spot for just $3. I thought this was a really great value. And it's its own little book kit. It velcros closed, and you open it up, and you've got so many different things in here. We've got sheets of stickers, and then we've got these like sticker pages that you can put the stickers on. And then there's a story. There's a whole story to read. And then at the back, there's coloring pages. A bunch of coloring pages, and then more stickers and more sticker pages. This is so wonderful, and it's all self-contained. She is gonna love exploring that. So those are the items that I picked up, and they all fit really nicely in this backpack. I'll put a link below to the backpack I got. I think I paid just $10 for this, and it's a really nice sort of moderate size. My daughter is petite, she's just 2, but it's not one of those mini tiny backpacks. It holds a bunch of stuff. It's really lightweight. I think she's gonna really do well with this. So that's what I bought. But I would also want to say, you know, if you're traveling for the first time and you're feeling a little nervous, my #1 tip is don't sweat it. Somebody said this to me once, and it's something I always remind myself. Every single person on that plane has been a child before. Whether they have children now or not, they were once a baby making noise and bothering the other people around them. So we've all been there, we've all done it. That's what kids do, they make noise. So don't get too upset. And really 98% of the people I have encountered when traveling with my daughter have been more than accommodating. People understand. Do your best, but it's all gonna be fine. They're kids. It's gonna be fine. So wherever you're traveling to, I hope you have fun. Let me know in the comments below if you're gonna use any of these ideas, or if you have any tips. I would love to hear. I always need new ideas about how to keep my daughter entertained. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it so I know to do more content like this, and make sure you hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. I do really easy DIY projects Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.